Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Gabby, a New York City based life and style content creator. And today we're gonna do a quick little morning in my life in New York City. I have such a busy day today and I just kind of want to take the morning to myself, and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I'm just doing my skincare. Started off with some of the La Roche-Posay micellar water. I don't really cleanse in the morning, I just do this with a little cotton round just to get all the grub and grime that may have accumulated overnight, which is not usually a lot. And then I go in with the La Roche-Posay Eau Thermale. This is like kind of an unnecessary step, but I feel like especially in winter it's nice to get some hydration. So I spray this and then I want to obviously lock that in. So I'm gonna use the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. This is one of my favorite serums. Definitely has changed my skin. I think I started using it like a year ago, maybe longer than that. I don't actually remember, but I really like it. It's good. Amazing. So after that, I'm just gonna go straight in with a moisturizer. I also used the Fenty Skin Lip Oil, which I'm actually almost out of. Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. It's so good. I should probably get some more. I'm also gonna do a Peach and Lily morning. I'm gonna use the Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. This is really good in winter. It's a little thick for summertime, but it's winter now and we gotta stay moisturized. So it's so calming on the skin, which is why I also like using it before I go to bed. It's just kind of a nice thing to go to sleep to and wake up to. I don't know. But that is what the skin is looking like. Cool. I have a couple of active acne spots. So I'm gonna use this La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo. It's a dual action acne treatment. Basically, I think it just functions by drying out your pimple spots, and it is literally on its last leg, which is fine. But I tend to always just kind of put it in the cheek area just to stop it before it occurs, you know. And then any active spots on my forehead. Okay, so I want to go grab a coffee, so maybe I don't, but I think a quick like egg and toast moment is in order, so let's do that. Apparently I gave off I would really like home goods for Christmas this year because they got me these very cute sponges. They came in 3 shades and they're very sparkly and pretty. The brand's Hawkins New York. So these are cute. And then also, which I'm obsessed, I got some glass straws. And they have green and clear, and they come with a cleaning brush, and these are super cute as well. I can't wait to use these in my iced drinks. I had a really bad like wine glass problem, like I kept breaking them, so Annie got me a set of 4 of these like massive red wine glasses. These are from Crate and Barrel and they're amazing. Her roommate had some and I was like, oh my god, I need these, and so she got them for me. But I'm gonna put these in the dishwasher. We used 2 of them last night. And then I'm gonna clean my straws. But we love home goods. Alright, so it's time for quick breakfast because I want to leave at like 9. I feel like getting a warm coffee, and then I'm gonna pop into the Met super quick and go see the costume exhibit. And that's my plan for the morning. I feel like I like to just, I haven't done like a fun activity all over the weekend in so long, and one of my favorite things to do is actually go to a museum. So we're gonna do the Met today. First I'm gonna take my vitamins, and then I'm going to make an egg and toast. That's the plan. These actually haven't been too bad. I just take them first thing when I get to the kitchen with water. It's not like pleasant by any means, but it's fine. Today's fact is outer space is completely silent. We could all learn a thing or two from space on quiet time. Get my nutrients. If you didn't watch my last video, I talked about, I got this in the mail, and I talked about my Care Of. Okay, I'm taking 2 multivitamins, a apple cider extract, a fish oil, and then I think vitamin D. I'm pretty confident it's vitamin D. Yeah, so this is a very fun part of the day. Cheers. Hello, hello, hello. All right, I have finished eating, got ready, literally put on the most basic of outfits. This green Cezanne sweater is like my favorite thing, but we're gonna head to the Met really quickly, and then I have to pick up some Secret Santa stuff, and yeah, we'll see what else we get up to. Cute, let's go. Also very much going makeup free right now. I have to do my makeup later for all the holiday parties, so we're just going with some lip gloss right now, but cute. Hello, I just finished up the Met. The costume exhibit was super interesting. I definitely recommend. They also have Monet Degas, but I saw that when I was in Paris in May, so I skipped that. But I'm headed to grab coffee and pick up a couple things, so we'll see what we get up to. I also, a couple of weeks ago, or maybe a week ago, went to see an exhibit at a art gallery around. It's called Beauty Must Suffer. Hello vlog, what's up? Ben and I are going to Salon 94, and they have a very cute like ballet exhibit. So I'm meeting her there. people to think I'm filming them. I'm simply just showing you this. Definitely worth checking out as well. Cool, let's do it. Hello, I'm back in my apartment. I have about an hour and a half until I need to start getting ready to go to holiday party number 1. So we're gonna do that. I'm wearing the same outfit to both, I think. Been a really chill Saturday morning. I went to the Nespresso store and like a chocolatier shop to pick up my Secret Santa gift, and then I went to Whole Foods to grab something to bring to the second holiday party. And yeah, that's what we're working with. All right, I will check in with you guys later. I really just need to like chill for a second, you know? Yeah, let's do that. Hello. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I'm headed out to my various Christmas parties of the evening, wearing my cute little Christmas sweater, fun little red lip. Cute. Let's head out. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.